Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we spotlight rare and classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Let's dive into 15 more standout vintage machines on today's market. Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $8,000, Yucca Valley, California. This 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead survivor represents the heart of mid-1970s American touring performance. Finished in black and carrying matching frame and engine numbers with a clean California title, it maintains the authenticity collectors look for in a shovel-era machine. Performance upgrades include dual-plug heads for improved combustion efficiency, an Andrews cam for stronger mid-range power, and a refreshed S&S Super E carburetor feeding the classic 74 cubic inch V-twin. The enclosed belt drive primary adds durability and smoother engagement, while the 4-speed ratchet-top transmission offers both kick and electric start versatility. GMA forward controls and upgraded braking components modernize the ride slightly without compromising its period feel. Rolling on a 21-inch front and 16-inch rear wheel with new tires, this FLH blends originality, tasteful upgrades, and strong running character typical of a well-sorted shovelhead. Number 2. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $1,800, North Glen, Colorado. The 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000 comes from the first generation of Honda's groundbreaking flat-4 touring platform. Powered by a liquid-cooled 999cc horizontally opposed engine, the GL1000 was revolutionary in its smoothness and reliability when introduced. This example benefits from a previous engine rebuild and recently serviced braking components, including a new front master cylinder and rebuilt rear master cylinder. The carburetors have also been rebuilt and synchronized, which is crucial on these 4-carb setups for smooth idle and throttle response. Finished in white with a clean Colorado title, the bike runs well, though it hasn't been ridden extensively in recent years. At this price point, it offers a very affordable gateway into vintage touring comfort, long-distance capability, and classic 1970s engineering innovation. Number 3. 1973 Triumph Bonneville, $4,800, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1973 Triumph Bonneville shows 11,300 miles and remains completely stock, preserving the authentic look and feel of one of Britain's most iconic parallel twins. Finished in red and described as super clean with a clean title, it has been exercised regularly with short monthly rides to keep the mechanicals active. The Bonneville's 650cc twin-cylinder engine is known for its crisp throttle response and unmistakable exhaust note, while its slim profile and chrome accents capture the spirit of early 1970s British motorcycling. As an unmodified example, this bike appeals strongly to purists who value originality over customization. With rising interest in well-preserved British classics, a stock and running Bonneville like this continues to hold solid collector appeal. Number 4. 1977 Yamaha XS400, $1,500, Bosque Farms, New Mexico. With 25,945 miles, this 1977 Yamaha XS400 is a complete and running project that offers flexibility for restoration or customization. The matching engine and frame numbers with a clean New Mexico title provide peace of mind for ownership. Its original-looking red paint enhances its vintage presence, while the 392cc parallel twin engine is described as running strong with both electric and kickstart operational. All lights, signals, horn, speedometer, and tachometer function properly, making it a solid mechanical foundation. The bike does require carburetor tuning to address cold-blooded behavior and occasional throttle stickiness, and the torn seat cover and minor plastics damage are cosmetic considerations. Overall, this XS400 represents a straightforward entry-level classic with strong cafe racer or restoration potential. Number 5. 1969 BSA 441 Victor Special, $4,000, Palm Desert, California. The 1969 BSA 441 Victor Special is a lightweight British single-cylinder machine known for its off-road roots and distinctive styling. Finished in bright yellow, this example is described as complete, rust-free, and well-maintained. The 441cc four-stroke engine delivers classic thumper torque in a relatively nimble chassis, making it popular among riders who appreciate mechanical simplicity and vintage character. The Victor Special models have become increasingly collectible due to their limited production and strong identity within BSA's lineup. As a late 1960s British single in good condition, this motorcycle offers both visual appeal and historical significance for enthusiasts of classic European machines. Number 6. 1979 Suzuki GS750L, $2,650, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1979 Suzuki GS750L shows just over 11,500 miles and is described as being in exceptional showroom-like condition. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, the GS750 platform earned a reputation for durability and balanced performance in the late 1970s. This example retains its original seat, sissy bar, and overall factory appearance, which adds to its authenticity. It features mag wheels, dual front disc brakes, and a rear disc brake, reflecting the era's move toward improved stopping power. With new tires installed recently and a Nevada title in the seller's name, this low-mileage GS750L stands as a well-preserved example of Japanese four-cylinder engineering from the golden age of UJM motorcycles. Number 7. 1979 BMW R65, $5,000. Flagstaff, Arizona. Showing 47,000 miles, this 1979 BMW R65 has undergone a comprehensive engine rebuild in 2023, including a new alternator, rebuilt starter, fresh gaskets, and a new wiring harness. The R65 is powered by BMW's air-cooled Boxer Twin, known for longevity and easy serviceability. This example includes LED lighting upgrades, a new seat, dual horns including a vintage-style unit, and practical travel accessories such as a camping box and mounted storage. Delivering approximately 33 miles per gallon, it combines touring practicality with classic German engineering. While cosmetically not perfect, the mechanical refresh makes it an appealing rider-focused vintage BMW with a clean title. Number 8. 1977 Kawasaki KZ900, $7,000, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ900 has been transformed into a superbike-inspired canyon racer with significant engine and chassis upgrades. Internally, it features 1135cc Y-Seco pistons, a ported head, performance camshaft, titanium retainers, heavy-duty springs, and smooth-bore carburetors. A Kirker exhaust system, upgraded ignition, and enhanced oiling components further support performance reliability. Suspension upgrades include progressive shocks and a steering damper, while alloy rims and stainless spokes enhance both handling and appearance. Recent maintenance, such as carburetor rebuild, valve seat work, new tires, battery, and fresh paint, suggest careful preparation. This KZ900 represents a high-performance evolution of Kawasaki's legendary inline-four superbike platform. Number 9. 1955 Triumph Desert Sled, TR6 engine, $5,500, Boulder, Colorado. Blending a 1955 Triumph frame with a 1959 TR6 engine, this desert sled project captures the spirit of classic American desert racing culture. The engine kicks through with compression, and all gears reportedly function properly. It features premium components such as Borrani rims, Duro knobby tires installed last year, Seriani 35mm forks, and a Bates seat, all of which enhance its period Scrambler aesthetic. With a clear Colorado title in the seller's name, this build offers a strong mechanical base and desirable vintage racing components. For enthusiasts of pre-unit Triumphs and desert sled history, it provides an authentic starting point for a nostalgic off-road machine. Number 10. 1979 Yamaha XS1100, $3,500, Yuma, Arizona. This 1979 Yamaha XS1100 is described as a dependable daily rider with strong performance and full roadworthiness. The XS1100 was one of the most powerful production bikes of its time, featuring a large displacement inline-four engine capable of confident highway touring. Finished in blue and largely original aside from minor changes to grips, exhaust, and taillight, it retains its classic late 1970s styling. The bike is currently registered with a clean title and is said to be capable of long-distance rides without hesitation. For riders seeking a usable vintage muscle tourer, this XS1100 offers both comfort and strong acceleration. Number 11. 1980 Vespa P200E, $3,800, Houston, Texas. This 1980 Vespa P200E retains its original paint with minor touch-ups and has received extensive mechanical updates. Powered by a stock 12-horsepower 200cc two-stroke engine, it includes new Michelin tires and tubes, Bitubo adjustable shocks, updated stator and Ducati CDI, refreshed clutch components, and upgraded fuel delivery parts. The SIP Road 2 exhaust enhances performance while maintaining a classic appearance. The scooter starts easily, runs smoothly, and reaches approximately 65 miles per hour, making it practical for city and suburban riding. With functioning electronics and a clear Texas title, this P200E blends vintage Italian design with dependable usability. Number 12. 1950 BSA Golden Flash, $6,500, Wickenburg, Arizona. The 1950 BSA Golden Flash is an early post-war British twin known for its strong 650cc parallel twin engine and classic black and gold styling. Presented in original condition, this example reportedly ran when parked but has been stored for several years. The Golden Flash played a key role in establishing BSA's export success, particularly in the American market. With a clear title and largely original presentation, it offers solid restoration potential or sympathetic recommissioning. Early BSA twins continue to attract collectors for their historical importance and mechanical character. Number 13. 1981 Moto Guzzi V50 Monza, $2,200, Austin, Texas. This 1981 Moto Guzzi V50 Monza shows 14,000 miles and represents a lightweight Italian sport bike built around Moto Guzzi's signature transverse V-twin engine. The carburetors have been cleaned and rebuilt, and the engine turns over with confirmed compression while shifting through all gears. A fresh cosmetic repaint has been applied, and the original yellow fairing is included. The bike will require a starter, battery, and brake service to be road-ready, and it is currently offered without a title. For enthusiasts of classic Italian engineering, this V50 Monza presents an affordable restoration project with distinctive character. Number 14. 1971 BSA Thunderbolt, $2,650, Austin, Texas. Finished in burgundy, this 1971 BSA Thunderbolt is described as starting easily and running great. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin, the Thunderbolt was designed as a strong mid-range torque machine with straightforward mechanical layout. Its classic British styling, chrome accents, and slim tank profile capture the essence of early 1970s motorcycling. As a running and presentable example, it offers a more affordable way into vintage British twin ownership compared to higher-priced show restorations. For riders seeking authentic British iron with usable performance, this Thunderbolt delivers period charm and mechanical simplicity. Number 15. 1972 Honda CL70 Scrambler, $900, Clinton, Oklahoma. This 1972 Honda CL70 Scrambler is a small displacement project bike offered with a title and classic early 1970s styling. Garaged since an accident in 1974, it retains many original features, including chrome fenders, upswept exhaust system, two-up bench seat, chrome mirrors, cross-braced handlebars, and center stand. The engine's running condition is unknown, and it is missing the kickstart lever and part of the front braking system. As a lightweight 70cc Scrambler, the CL70 remains popular among collectors and vintage Honda fans. At $900 or best offer, it represents an accessible restoration opportunity with nostalgic appeal. Those are today's vintage motorcycle finds. If you enjoy discovering rare classics for sale across America, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and join us for the next ride.